Hello, I'm here to introduce our karaoke system. This is the power button. Light press to power on. And I show you the screen. This is the LED screen. You look at now we choose the karaoke mode. And you can also choose the function hall. And this is used to adjust the music volume, the background music volume, and the mic volume, and the effect volume. You just press this button or press this button to increase or decrease the volume. I show you, and you want to increase the volume of the background, you just press here. You see? And now we increase the volume of the mic. Hello, how are you? Very small. Hello, how are you? And now we could increase the effect. Now you can hear the voices different. Hello, how are you? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now we decrease the effect to see the sound, how the sound look like. When we decrease the effects, the sound will show like this. This is my original sound. And now we increase the effects again and hear the voice. We increase to 40 and hear it again. Hello, hi, how are you? Now you see the difference, right?